Welcome back to Product Zone. Today we're going to unbox and test out this amazing drone set for boys and girls, pink and blue. They have different colors. Check in the description box for more details on that. You got LED light, headless mode. You could go high altitude, adjust speed, rotation. Listen, there's a lot of features on this drone, so we're going to unbox it and check it out real quick. People are saying it's really good. Right here we can see we have the blue and we have the pink. Really beautiful. You can see that. I love the paint job and the design of it. Really nice. So is the pink. You got good optional. This is a great idea for a gift too. So we're gonna unbox this and see where the remote and batteries. So there's the black remote for the blue one. We got the pink. So up close, I'm gonna show you guys. Very light. The battery goes in here. Both of them came with 2 batteries each. And extra part from screwdrivers to more wings. So both of them came with these batteries right here, 2 battery each, so it's 4. And you got extra parts, you have extra tools, you have the charger right here, and you have a screwdriver. You have a button on and off right here. Put it on. Wow, see the LED lights? And at nighttime we could even see this. This is pretty cool. Okay, so the remote works with 3 of AAA battery. All right, so we're gonna test it out real quick. We're gonna do got circle fly. Oh, so everything right here tells you exactly what is what, and look like we got speed. You could do a flip, and then let's see. Whoa. So put it on. We just push this up. You can see that. Cut it off is down. All right, so we got it up right now. My daughter is flying it. It's amazing. It works really good. It's very accurate when it's controlling, and you could control the LED light. So it's amazing. We're gonna have to do it in the nighttime to show you guys the LED color, how it's bright. I'm telling you, this thing, it works really good. It's been about a week now. We took a little 2 days off, but the kid's been loving it. It works great. It's very accurate. And the pairing between the remote and the drone, it's very easy and simple. The LED lights is amazing. You have a switch right here, on and off LED light. Everything is easy. The battery lasts for a long time. It charges fast. Well, I'm telling you, I'm not just trying to say this because you should buy it. I'm just letting you know, as for a father who has 3 kids, this thing is not our first drone. It's many drones we went through, and most of them will break. This one dropped a couple times, and it did not break. Really outstanding quality. Check in the description box for more details. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos on Product Zone.